In Rowlett, where pride of homeownership runs deep and neighborhoods continue to thrive, curb appeal plays a major role in how homes are perceived and valued. Whether you live near Lake Ray Hubbard or in one of the area's newer developments, updating your home's exterior can make a dramatic difference. One of the most effective and visually impactful upgrades you can make is installing modern windows and doors. These improvements not only enhance your home's beauty but also boost efficiency, comfort, and value. Here's how modern windows and doors can elevate curb appeal throughout Rowlett neighborhoods. Clean, contemporary designs that refresh your home's look. Older windows and doors often show signs of age, peeling paint, foggy glass, faded finishes, or outdated styles. Modern designs feature sleek lines, crisp finishes, and customizable options that instantly refresh your home's appearance. Modern upgrades offer bigger, clearer glass areas, slimmer frames for a more refined look, fresh color options like black, bronze, or crisp white styles that complement both traditional and contemporary Rowlett homes. Whether you're aiming for a modern farmhouse look or a classic suburban feel, updated windows and doors give your exterior an immediate facelift. Enhanced natural light that brightens interior spaces. Curb appeal isn't just about what's on the outside, it's also about the impression your home creates from the inside looking out. Modern windows allow more natural light into your home, making interiors appear larger, brighter, and more inviting. This enhances the overall feel of your property from the moment guests walk through the door. Popular choices among Rowlett homeowners include picture windows with expansive glass, slider windows for unobstructed views, front entry doors with decorative glass panels, patio doors that bring indoor and outdoor living together. More natural light creates an open, airy environment that improves both comfort and visual appeal. Modern entry doors make a bold first impression. Your entry door is one of the first architectural elements people notice. Old or worn doors can detract from your home's charm, while modern replacement doors act as an instant focal point. You'll find stunning options that include clean, contemporary designs, steel and fiberglass doors with long-lasting finishes, decorative or frosted glass for style and privacy, modern hardware that adds polish and sophistication. A beautiful entry door creates a welcoming feel and adds character to your home, perfect when hosting guests or preparing to put your home on the market. Improved energy efficiency enhances perceived home quality. Homebuyers in Rowlett are increasingly looking for properties with modern, energy-efficient features. New windows and doors provide superior insulation and reduce heat transfer, making the home more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. Energy-efficient improvements include double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, weather-resistant seals. Not only do these features reduce utility bills, but they also signal to visitors and potential buyers that your home has been well maintained and thoughtfully updated. Increased home value and market attractiveness. Curb appeal is one of the strongest factors that influence home value. Homes in Rowlett with modern windows and doors tend to sell faster, attract more buyer interest, command higher offers, stand out in online listings. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, these upgrades pay off over time by improving your home's beauty, efficiency, and durability. Durable, low-maintenance materials keep your home looking good longer. Modern windows and doors use advanced materials that withstand Texas's sun, heat, storms, and humidity far better than older products. Vinyl, fiberglass, composite frames, and steel doors resist fading, warping, rust, and rot. This means less upkeep, a cleaner, well-kept appearance year-round. Long-term reliability and beauty. Your home maintains its curb appeal without frequent repainting or repairs. Final thoughts. Modern windows and doors do more than upgrade your home's appearance. They transform your home's comfort, efficiency, and long-term value. In Rowlett neighborhoods where curb appeal matters, these improvements make a powerful impact. Whether you're aiming for a fresh exterior, brighter interior, improved energy savings, or increased resale value, updating your windows and doors is a smart investment that delivers immediate and lasting benefits.